present my portfolio of this virtual education file. My name is Angelina Ramirez Mejia. I was born in Santo Domingo of March 4 and want to say 999. I am from Don Juan Monte Plata, go right to the light in Santo Domingo Este. My parents is Lauterio Ramirez and Milagro Mejia. I have two sisters, Johnny Paola and Andreina. I am niece and Ashley Camille Ramirez. I studied the basic in the Don Juan Elementary School in the secondary left on the Liceo Gregorio Pero. It's the same combination. Ian Corey's studied biology with and focus on secondary education at Infodoso. I am in the last year of my degree. I consider myself a very reserved person with my personal life climbs to the good action. I love and natural and mystery with my personal. I want to treat the pulses and life is sport. I am in mainly. I am solely enjoying a smart moment with my family. I work and sleeping, dancing, eating in daily work. My strategy and money was the other thing made the most in the Benji or the working, friendly, cheerful person with like to the lead to the other, warning in observer. My Wednesday is the people is the something. I don't feel with the soul of my of the other people or the I want to change situation in on the way I know, marking me and being and perfectioning I like. In public class, I want in the public my lexico. I love my encouraging is the way of daily profession. I like to do strategy to the task at me to develop me personally. I want in the profession area. Since I want to be a teacher, I am important to a very good word security to the stop so profession in life. Today we will try expression with look. The expression with look, the Polity Instituto Father Bartolome Ver, grade 3A, B.A. Teacher Angelina Ramirez, objective recognize so belief of the Dominican Republic, cultures, and the United States. So the presentation or the planche strategy the class is class moment content of the teacher activity links the material to user methodology description of the methodology. Class moment is the vision, develops, and closing. The vision to be is the class study to about so the prior knowledge regarding to the topic. Developing and the teacher explain some belief of the Dominican in North America culture. To run in the PowerPoint presentation, the student must reflect on the beliefs that they have in YT at the beliefs in Oblast, Che and Purpose in communication into the class during you tour are speaking role the teacher we had you for the purpose on reflection on in the evaluation the same belief. Disclosing to the class, I the student must describe and improve when we on One word. The material to use is the project, pencil, internet, notebook, laptop, book, paper, PowerPoint. The methodology is activity linear. The description of the methodology. This is extracted to the check student community of the student and leading to collaboration with all the class master in develop the reflection, critical, the taking in direct action to solve a problem. Expert indicated the starting place and version of the class, which is indicated because it's the activity limit the student, caused to be considered an element to be sharpened of and see with information is being to have in the activity role is the learning. That is the moment away from the traditional. The resource is the PowerPoint y the France, the Dominican Republic is the USA. Thank you very much.